Well, let me make a start with you first. Shatarupa, how do you react to this letter that Mamata Banerjee has penned for the people of West Bengal? She is warning them against the RSS and BJP's designs.
Good evening, and through you, I want to wish good evening to the rest of the panelists and rest of India who's watching. Mamata Banerjee is a compulsive liar, and this time she has used her official letterpad to convey these lies to the people of West Bengal. And once again, I would like to remind you that while she is blaming the RSS and the BJP and the Honorable Home Minister, I hope she has avid proof, because now people of West Bengal are fully aware that it is she, the Chief Minister of West Bengal, who is singularly aware. I think I've told you on a show earlier, maybe last week or something, that it is Mamata Banerjee who is singularly aware, singularly to be blamed for this huge debacle that has happened in Murshidabad. And not only Murshidabad has come to the forefront. Now we are discussing Murshidabad now, but Bengal itself is burning. Few days back it was Bhangur, earlier it was Canning, before that it was Boshirat. There is just no end to this communal violence that she herself fans. She's of course, you know that her appeasement politics go beyond everything. She herself has repeatedly incited the Muslims that go ahead, whatever you want to do, your own Fufi, as in Mamata Banerjee herself, is going to stand right there. She is, mind you, the Chief Minister of West Bengal. She is not supposed to give assurance to only one community. This kind of assurance should be to the people of West Bengal, that go ahead, do what you want to, law and order is in my hands. But no, she has repeatedly been inciting the Muslims, and this is what happened. You know, in Murshidabad, your cameras are also there. Hindu houses have been singled out. They have been made to flee. Women are being told to take off their marriage symbols, sindoor, shakha, pola. Otherwise, their men will get beaten up and killed in front of them. This kind of incredible communal tension is what Murshidabad is going through. There has been an exodus of people from Murshidabad across the river, and you have the Muslim Minister Firhad Hakim, who is supposed to be the Urban Development Minister of the government of West Bengal. He says, no, it doesn't matter. They've only shifted from one place of West Bengal to the other place of West Bengal. You know, it is becoming more and more evident that the Hindus in West Bengal, which is supposed to be the Hindu homeland, then they're not safe here. And I really don't know, unless and until Mamata Banerjee resigns, whether at all anything good will happen.